right, Domino's has Loaded Tots. I think this box is pretty funny. The fork you were born with. Cute. Let's see if I can open it with one hand. Let's see. Ooh, those look yummy. This is the Melty 3 cheese. I'm at Domino's today trying the new Loaded Tots. These are the 3 melty cheese tots. Let's see. Let's see. They are oven-baked tots covered with mozzarella, cheddar, provolone, and creamy Alfredo sauce. They also have a cheddar bacon and a Philly cheesesteak. The guy that made these, he said these are his favorite. He said everyone else there likes the Philly cheesesteak the best, but his second favorite is the cheddar bacon. But he said these were the best. He did give me a fork, but I think I'm gonna go with the fork I was born with. I want to get a real cheesy one with the Alfredo. So I went with this one because I like the sound of the Alfredo. I think the Alfredo is also, I don't think the fork I was born with is gonna be very good with these. All right, I may need to get a fork. This is cheesy, yes, for sure. So these are pretty good. I was hoping they would be a little crispier, and these just came out of the oven. I went in and picked them up, and he took them out of the oven as I was standing there. So let me see. I got the Alfredo on that bite. Just crooked. These are good. It seems like the ones that don't have this much cheese on them and the Alfredo are a little crispier, which would make sense. But you can tell they're baked tots and not fried. That one was definitely crispy, but it didn't have much on it. So I almost think I would rather have the Alfredo on the side to dip it in, just so it would stay a little crispier. And maybe a little more salt. Do I have salt? I have salt. A little bit of everything in here. I guess the way they add the Alfredo kind of blends in with the cheese. I'm really only tasting the Alfredo on a couple bites that I've had. I taste more cheese than anything. And of course the tot. The tot. Tot. So these were $7.99, but if you get the pick 2, you can get them for $6.99, which I didn't want anything else, so I only got one. I guess I could have got another one to try, but this was the one that sounded best to me. Let me tell you what the other ones have. So the Philly cheesesteak, it is oven-baked golden brown tots topped with tender slices of steak, creamy Alfredo sauce, fresh onions, fresh green peppers, and a blend of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. So if you want to see a review of that one, the endorsement did that one, but I don't think his had the Alfredo on it. I think it was missing the Alfredo. And they also have the cheddar bacon tots, which are tots topped with smoky bacon, mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and garlic parmesan sauce, which the garlic parmesan sauce does sound interesting to me. So something I didn't realize about Domino's that I was very surprised by. So a while back when I was watching Kelly Party of 2, Chris gave an interesting fact about Domino's, which I was very surprised by, and not that I didn't believe him, but I did have to double check. I did have to go double check that, make sure he was accurate, but he was, that Domino's is the #1 pizza chain in the US and in the world. I was like, what? Domino's isn't on my top 5 list of, I was shocked by that. #2 is Pizza Hut. I think 3 is Little Caesars. I think they're pretty good. I'll give them, I just wish they were crispier. And I think I know they don't have a fryer, so they're not going to be as crispy as a fryer. I'll give them a 4.2 out of 5. I think they're pretty good. I think I would just prefer the Alfredo on the side so I could taste more of it. I'm very picky about this one. I just think the Alfredo sauce blends in and you really can't taste it. You could taste it a little bit here and there, but not on each bite. So that's why I would just prefer it as a side to dip. But yeah, but I think they're good. If you're a fan of tots, loaded tots, I think you would enjoy these. So yeah, so like I said, $7.99, but you can get them for $6.99 if you get two, $6.99 each if you get two. So if you try them, let me know what you think. And are you surprised that Domino is the #1 pizza chain? Let me know. Maybe I should give them another chance. I haven't tried them in years as far as a pizza goes, so maybe I should give them another try. So what is your #1 pizza chain? Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate you watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time. Bye. Bye.